Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products here are available on Amazon and Audible. If you need any product, just visit Amazon or Audible. So in this video, we've got different home gadgets and organizing and cleaning hacks you can use for your home. Let's see these gadgets. We've got this organizer you can use in the kitchen. You can use it for different small bottles.
If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, let me down.
For and fast. You can use it for making fries or salad. We've got these small items you can use for holding hot plates and pans. This is another organizer you can use for the dishes. Let's see what's in this apartment. Let's see what this boy is gonna do. He's using this small folding washing machine. He's gonna wash his clothes using this small washing machine. He's gonna print something using this small printer. That's a wireless or Wi-Fi printer. You can use your mobile phone to print your stuff. This small brush. This is a rice cooker. He's gonna make something to eat. This is another cooker. This is a small fan. This is a frying pan you can use for making omelette. The omelette is ready. This is a dishwasher. We've got this small box where you can put chopsticks and other small items. This is a tool you can use for compressing food. This is a folding mop. This is a small mop you can use for mirrors and windows. This is another clip. We'll see this couple and we'll see their apartment. This is the husband. He's gonna do something. He's gonna prepare something to eat. We'll see the tools and gadgets he's using in his apartment. This is a cooker. He's brushing his teeth. This is a small box where you can put toilet paper. This is a filter you can use for the sink, and these are gloves.
The second day of marriage, the wife is Stell.